encounter chemicals all around us, in every waking and sleeping moment. Simple and complex chemicals hold the key to all objects and processes in the universe. Chemicals are truly the building blocks of life.
So when you think of chemicals, you think only of the standard agrochemicals, you think of dyestuffs, and you think of pharmaceuticals. No, almost every human activity where one material is transformed to another material, that's a part of the chemical industry.
India's expertise in manufacturing low-cost yet high-end chemical products through its world-class infrastructure is the main reason for its growth.
Everywhere where one form of matter is transformed into another form of matter not by physical operations but with a chemical reaction going on, that is part of the chemical industry.
We have a very strong team of scientists and technologists. Because of that, we are able to have our presence almost all over the world. Because of strong R&D, we have a very big competitive advantage. And today, whenever we go out and acquire any unit, we are able to turn it around within a couple of years. Today, India has unlimited advantage because of good manpower, good technical manpower, and good scientific talent in our country.
A large domestic market and competitive core industries add to the strengths of the Indian chemical industry.
India, with its GDP growing stupendously, is poised for growth, and the world is saying, we want to be in India.
The Export Promotion Council, comprising members of the trade and representatives of the government, has been formed to serve as liaison between trade and government and trade and foreign markets. Chemexcel has about 4,000 member exporters from Fortune 500 billion companies to small specialized manufacturers.
Our members continuously face opportunities and challenges of the global markets. When opportunities arise in various markets of the world, we take them for buyer-seller meet, delegations abroad. And at the same time, there are challenges in the chemical industry because the world is definitely very concerned about the pollution, the environment pollution and the water pollution. Chemexcel has been in the forefront of handling these challenges for our member exporters.
We help exporters in identifying potential markets abroad and in providing publicity and marketing backup.
They also organize buyer-seller meets. They organize buyers for us in international countries, and we have again met and generated a lot of business through these buyer-seller meets. They also organize reverse buyer-seller meets by which the buyer comes to India, and that has also helped us increase our exports.
Chemexcel helps in identifying new products which have export potential and promise, and provides necessary market information to the manufacturers and exporters of these items to realize their export objectives.
Chemexcel has been a big help to the small and medium enterprises like us. By organizing international trade exhibitions, they have taken us to the world and because of which our exports have grown nearly fivefold.
REACH being a European legislation, the registration cannot be done by a non-European entity. This was one of the biggest problems the Indian chemical industry faced, and it was very obvious that in absence of registration, the full export would come to standstill. Chemexil then took the lead and organized several training programs all over the country. The most important activity Chemexil has done in the past couple of years is the role it has played in helping the Indian chemical industry to meet the requirements of REACH.
Together, we are committed to providing you the finest and the most reliable and cost-effective solutions. At Chemexil, we realize that you seek the right product at the right price, and we always strive to be that perfect catalyst. In order to attain its objectives, Chemexil has prepared an intensive 5-year plan. It aims to push India as a leading global market for trade in chemicals.
The Indian chemical industry is poised for significant growth in the coming years. All the developed countries are now looking towards India and China as major source of chemicals. India is exporting almost in all sectors like dyes, pigments, agrochemicals, cosmetics, agarbatti, and so on. The dyes segment itself is a very important segment for India, and India happens to lead in the pigment sector as well.
Global quality standards which we are maintaining for all our products, and this is an excellent example for all the Indian manufacturers who wants to concentrate on international and global markets for all their products, because India has got very high technical skill, very good competence, very good manufacturing facilities, and also the low cost manufacturing thing. So India is becoming a hub for manufacturing all foreign brands, and which can be which can be easily outsourced by global multinational companies, and they come forward to India, get the product manufactured with a very high quality standards.
Future trend for our company, particularly agrochemical company and other chemicals, is very bright, because India today is in a position to produce the most sophisticated, most complicated chemicals of high purity and high quality, and to compete anywhere in the world.
The biopesticide market, according to a recent Frost & Sullivan report, is going to be $1 billion industry. And India, with its pool of skilled biotechnologists, can definitely take advantage of this.
India is becoming a hub for all personal care products, soap, cosmetics and toiletries. This is a very good opportunity. Chemexil is going to help all our global customers to give a very good support and confidence in Indian manufacturers.
Castor oil is a green product having lot of potentiality for its future development all over the world. We have 50 different countries buying castor oil and derivatives from India, and today India is bestowed with a biggest crop of castor seeds growing in the country, where the raw material is amply available, and our next year crop is also estimated to be around 12.5 lakhs ton, which was last year about 1 million ton.
As part of the 5-year plan, Chemexil also aims to develop a chemical inventory for its products. It will outline a chemical management program for India, specifically designed to protect human health and the environment.
I'm very hopeful that in the years to come, the ChemExcel and its members will attain greater heights and capture all the opportunities that the global trade offers.
Come to India. Come to ChemExcel.